Hey, what's up car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend. Today we're taking a deep dive into a legend reborn, the 2025 Ford F100 4x4. This isn't just a new pickup, it's a blast from the past re-engineered for modern roads, built tough for adventure, and designed to turn heads with a perfect balance of heritage and innovation. Right off the bat, the styling of the 2025 F100 screams retro with a modern twist. Ford has done an incredible job capturing the vintage vibes of the original F100, with bold, squared-off lines, a wide front grille, and round LED headlights that pay homage to its classic roots. The raised stance, chunky off-road tires, and available retro color options, like Oxford White and Velocity Blue, complete the truck's unmistakably cool aesthetic. Under the hood, the F100 4x4 doesn't hold back. The standard powertrain is a tried-and-true 5.0-liter Coyote V8, delivering 400 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. It's responsive, aggressive, and pairs smoothly with a 10-speed automatic transmission. But for those looking to blend power with efficiency, Ford also offers a 3.5-liter PowerBoost hybrid V6, which adds electric torque for impressive pulling power and better fuel economy. Now let's talk off-road. This isn't just a pavement princess. The 2025 F100 4x4 comes equipped with a serious off-road package, including skid plates, electronic locking rear differential, hill descent control, and multiple terrain management modes. Whether you're crawling over rocks, cruising through mud, or blazing your own trail, the F100 has you covered. Inside the cabin, it's a fusion of function and style. You get rugged materials that can take a beating, but also a refined layout with premium touches. The 12-inch Sync 4 touchscreen is intuitive and responsive, loaded with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice-activated navigation, and more. You've also got an available fully digital instrument cluster, USB-C ports, wireless charging, and even heated and ventilated seats on the higher trims. Safety is another big win here. The F100 4x4 is equipped with Ford Copilot 360, giving you blind spot monitoring, pre-collision assist, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. So whether you're commuting, towing, or exploring off the grid, this truck's looking out for you every mile of the way. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 F100 4x4 starts around $45,000, with higher-end trims and packages reaching closer to $65,000. It's a solid investment for a truck that delivers both classic style and modern-day performance. In a world full of oversized, high-tech trucks, the Ford F100 4x4 brings something different to the table: timeless design, everyday usability, and serious capability. If you're into retro trucks with real backbone, this one's definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome automotive content, right here on Car Trend, your go-to spot for the latest rides, reviews, and road-ready legends.